I'm going to do a couple of videos to show you guys different ways that you can sort or filter your cost code approval on the Patco Payco. Ultimately, whatever you do or what works for you, it is great. You don't have to do it a particular way, but as you start playing with it more, I wanted to see you to see what's possible and see what you might like the most. I've signed on as Charles, so you can see what a project manager would see. And if you were to go to cost code approval, Charles should only see his home sites, which are right now GTR or Kimbrough here. And let's say you are walking through, let's do GTR 123. You're walking that house today and you just want to update what is happening in that house. You can use this little funnel here to filter it, and you can get just 123. Well, this is attached a townhome, so you might also want to get the common building, the shell building. So let's get everything 123. We've got select all. If you're concerned that it's not filtering, I sometimes like to unselect all and then select both of those, but this is the select all for what you see on this screen. We're going to say okay. And then I would filter in cost code order. So just by clicking on or the word cost code description or to the right of it, it gives you this up and down arrow. Here you are in numerical order of cost codes, which is pretty close to the order we build. So you've got lot 123 and the common area all mixed together, the common building, sorry, but in order of the things that we need to do. So you're walking through, you're like, oh, rough grade is done. You would click that off, or drywall's done in 123. The doors are done, and the siding is done for the entire building. So if you're just walking one particular house or a particular house and the common shell job, that is how you can easily get to that information and approve it. I'm not going to approve that because I don't know that it's done. The other thing you could do is, so anyway, that's a walking through, and you can scroll on down and scroll down to get every cost code in those selected or filtered jobs using the funnel. If you know, hey, it looks like the plumbers have been in here, and I don't know what draws are left for the plumbers, and you don't want to scroll down, you can filter again. You can filter on L&R, for example, and see all of L&R's cost codes. So they lack draw 2 and 3. That means you've already signed off on draw 1. So that is an example of how to filter for one job as you're walking through a particular house, or one or two jobs, and organize in either cost code order and or vendor order.